Minsan may mga bagay na mahirap intindihin. May mga tanong na kailangang sagutin. Lahat ng yon hindi mo pinakait sa akin. Panalangin ko sa mga bituin, huwag kang lalayo sa akin. Harapin na labi ko. Dahil sa'yo, sumasaya ang mga araw ko. Dahil sa'yo, may kaibigan ako na totoo. Dahil sa'yo, natutong magmahal ang puso ko. Darating man ang araw na kailangan kong bumalik sa aking mundo. Isipin mong may kaibigan kang nagmamahal sa'yo. Dahil sa'yo, natutong magbigas ang labi ko. Dahil sa'yo, sumasaya ang mga araw ko. Dahil sa'yo, may kaibigan ako na totoo. Dahil sa'yo, natutong magmahal ang puso ko.
This is for my people who just lost somebody. Your best friend, your baby, your man or your lady. Put your hand way up high.
Put them way up high.
Say that.
You never say goodbye.
Mamas, daddies, sisters, brothers, friends, and cousins.
Yeah.
This is for my people who lost their grandmothers.
Yeah.
Put your hand to the sky.
Lift them way up high. Yeah, you say goodbye. I know you're gone, I know I'll see you again. One thing that I can promise, we gon' meet up again. Hopefully up in heaven, praying that I'm forgiven for everything that I've done and that I forgot to mention. It feels so bad to be without my homie, and ever since you've been absent, I've been so lonely. Why does life recycle around like a trophy? Even though somebody took the time to warn me that you can't be with me and it's just crazy. And every day I'm wishing that you come save me. And I know a man ain't supposed to cry. It's taking all the strength in my soul to say goodbye.